Okay, so now I want to show it to you how you want to plot a box plot using pandas. Okay, so as usual, make sure we have the sample data name as a tip.csv, and then you go to the new button. All right, you click Python 3, and then they will prepare to you the Jupyter notebook here. Okay, all right, so as usual, all right, remember to import the pandas first. Okay, all right, and then all right, as what we have done before, all right, in a histogram, okay, we use another libraries that name as a matplotlib. Okay, to this library is for showing plots. Okay, so same goes to boxplot. We still will use this library. Okay, so easy, all right, for you to directly import, okay, the libraries. Okay, okay, so I directly import both of the libraries. Okay, alright, and I shift enter to make sure everything is okay. Alright, so once everything is okay, don't forget to load the content from the dataset. Okay, so the syntax is df equal panda we read. Alright, the CSV file name as tip.csv. Alright, and then I want to display the content of the tip.csv. So what I do is I print the content by print df shift enter. So here they will display to you the 6 columns, alright, name as total bills, tip, gender, date, time, and size. Okay, this is the content of the tip.csv dataset. Okay, so actually, okay, there is a syntax for you to view the summary, okay, from the dataset, okay, such as the mean, the minimum number, the maximum number of the data. Okay, so actually why we can view this summary of the statistics is to understand how large some of the variables are and what are the variables may be the most important. Okay, so what is the syntax that you can use is a df, okay, describe and parenthesis shift enter. All right, sorry, this CR okay, I found it. Okay, all right, sorry, uh, it's not equal sign, should be is a df dot describe, sorry. Okay, so from here actually they will display to you, okay, the summary of the data set. Okay, so they will give you the mean, the standard deviation, the minimum number, the first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, and also the maximum value. Okay, so from here we want to construct a box plot. Okay, so example here we choose one of the columns. Okay, example we choose to use a column tip. Okay, so what is the syntax? It's a df, okay, all right, square bracket, okay, is a tip, okay, means is the name of the columns that we want to use. Okay, and then we want to plot. Okay, the kind of the plots is using box. Okay, and then directly put the title, okay, name as tip amount. Okay, and then the fixed size, okay, is equal to, okay, example is a 10:8. Okay, all right, and then we plot it to show. Okay, so shift enter. All right, so you will see, okay, the box plot of tip column here. All right, so actually from here, all right, you can summarize. Okay, you can identify the minimum value. So the minimum value here is, okay, 1. Okay, all right, and then this is the first quartile. Okay, is a 25%, is 2. all right, and then the median, okay, or the second quartile is 3, almost to 3. All right, and then the third quartile is, okay, 3.5, nearest to 4. All right, and then the maximum value here is 10. So this is the maximum values. Okay, so from here the interquartile range, okay, you can, okay, from the third quartile you minus with the first quartile, so then you will get the interquartile range. Okay, that is about box plot.